Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Freedom108. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how you can remove your Google account from other devices remotely. Yes, this time around you'll be able to remove your Google account from other devices in case your device is lost or stolen. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method that I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to install any application on your phone or root your device. Also, this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on my channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification button and be part of the Freedom108 family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Gmail app. Now, once you open your Gmail app, at the upper right corner you can see your profile here. Just click on it, and once you click on it, just click on Google account. Now, once you click on Google account, just click on security, and once you click on security, just scroll down. Just scroll down to where you can find your devices. So as you can see over here, your devices, just click on manage devices. And once you click on manage devices, you can see all the devices that you have log into your account with. So all you need to do is to click on the device that you just want to sign out of it. So once you have chosen the device that you just want to sign out of it, then you click on more details. Now, once you click on more details, you can see over here, don't recognize this device. As you can see over here, don't recognize this device. So all you need to do is to click on don't recognize this device. Now, once you click on don't recognize this device, you can see sign out on device. So all you need to do is to click on sign out on device, and that's all. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a